Jabalpur, where nature, history and Narmada meet. One of the most naturally gifted cities of Madhya Pradesh, a city where nature speaks, history whispers and spirituality flows quietly with the river Narmada. Today I am taking you on a complete journey through Jabalpur, covering its top tourist places, its forgotten stories and the experience that make the city truly unforgettable. Stay with me till end because Jabalpur is not just seen, it is felt. Bedaghat Marble Rocks, the icon of Jabalpur. When people think of Jabalpur, the first image that comes to mind is Bedaghat Marble Rocks. Here the Narmada river flows through towering cliffs of white marble, some rising over 100 feet high. These rocks change color throughout the day, from soft white in the morning to golden shades at sunset and glowing silver under the moonlight. The best way to experience Bedaghat is by boat. As the boat glides silently through the narrow gorge, the reflection of the water creates a dream-like atmosphere. This place is not just visually stunning, it feels almost unreal. Bedaghat is the heart of Jabalpur tourism. Dhuandhar Waterfall. Just a short walk from Marble Rocks lies another wonder, Dhuandhar Waterfall. Name Dhuandhar comes from two words. Dhua means smoke and Dhar means flow. As the Narmada plunges down with immense force, water droplets rise into the air like clouds of smoke. During the monsoon season, sound of the waterfall can be heard from far away. A ropeway connects the viewing point, offering breathtaking aerial views of the river and gorge. This is one of the most powerful and energetic spots in Jabalpur. Chaunsat Yogini Temple. Overlooking the Marble Rocks stands the Chaunsat Yogini Temple. Dating back to the 10th century, this temple is dedicated to 64 yoginis, female forms of divine energy. To reach the temple, visitors climb a series of stone steps and at the top, they are rewarded with one of the best panoramic views of Narmada. Temple's circular structure and open sky design make it architecturally unique. This place is not for crowded, not loud, but deeply atmospheric. It connects you to a time when spirituality was raw, powerful, and mysterious. Madan Mahal Fort. Moving from nature to history, we arrive at Madan Mahal Fort. Built by the Gond rulers, this fort is closely associated with Rani Durgavati, one of the most respected warrior queens of India. Though size is small, the fort offers sweeping views of Jabalpur city. Inside, you will find ancient water tanks, watchtowers, and narrow passages that tell stories of strategy and defense. As the sun sets, Madan Mahal becomes one of the most peaceful spots in the city. Narmada Ghats, Gauri Ghat and Tilwara Ghat. The soul of Jabalpur lives along Narmada Ghats. Gauri Ghat is the most famous where evening aarti fills the air with lamps, chants and devotion. On the other hand, Tilwara Ghat, this is where the ashes of Mahatma Gandhi were immersed. Both ghats offer calm, spiritual experience, especially during sunrise and sunset. Here Jabalpur feels timeless. Rani Durgavati Museum. To understand Jabalpur's cultural roots, a visit to the Rani Durgavati Museum is essential. The museum showcases Gond tribal art, ancient sculptures, weapons and archaeological finds from nearby regions. It may not be large, but it adds depth and context to everything you see in the city. Bargi Dam. A little away from the main city lies Bargi Dam, built on the Narmada river. The area is peaceful, scenic and perfect for boating and picnics. The vast backwaters, especially during sunset, offer cinematic visual rarely seen by tourists. This is Jabalpur beyond the usual route. Kachnar City Shiva Statue. One of the modern landmarks of Jabalpur is the 76-foot tall Shiva statue at Kachnar City. Inside the statue, there are beautifully carved scenes from Hindu mythology. At night, the lightning gives the statue a perfect, powerful presence. It is a blend of devotion and modern craftsmanship. Dumna Nature Reserve. For nature lovers, Dumna Nature Reserve offers forest trails, a dam and peaceful viewpoints. It is ideal for early morning visits, photography and quiet moments away from the city. The best time to visit Jabalpur is between October to March. Monsoon months are perfect for waterfalls and greenery, while winters offer comfortable weather for sightseeing. Jabalpur is not a destination of one highlight, it's a collection of experiences. roaring waterfalls, silent marble cliffs, ancient temples, and sacred river banks. It is a city that doesn't try to impress, yet leaves a lasting impact. If you enjoyed this complete travel guide to Jabalpur, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. In next video, we'll explore another incredible district of Madhya Pradesh. Until then, remember some places are not meant to be rushed. Jabalpur is one of them.